Yo, what's up guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, let's talk about how to refinance your auto loan through Lendingclub. Refinancing your auto loan with Lendingclub can help you to secure a lower interest rates, reduce your monthly payments, or pay off your vehicle faster. The process is straightforward, but it's important to know the steps before you begin. Start by visiting the Lendingclub website and navigating to the auto refinancing section. You'll first check eligibility by providing basic details such as your vehicle name, your vehicle make, model, year, current mileage, and of course your existing loan balance. Lendingclub will also request information about your income and credit profile to determine if you qualify. If you're eligible, Lendingclub will show you loan offers tailored to your situation. These will include the new interest rates, loan terms, and expected monthly payments. Carefully compare these numbers with your current loan to confirm that refinancing truly benefits you. For instance, a lower monthly payment may extend the loan term, while a shorter term may save more in total interest. Once you select an offer, you'll submit a full application. This may require uploading documents such as proof of income, vehicle registrations, and of course your current loan statements. Lendingclub then pays off your existing lender directly, and your refinance loan begins with Lendingclub. The entire process is typically faster than a traditional bank refinance, with approvals often completed online. By following these steps, you can smoothly transition your auto loan and potentially save a significant amount of money over time. But that's pretty much it for the video, guys. Hope you liked it. Hope you found the information here useful enough. If you did, like, share, and subscribe for more helpful tutorials. Thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.